In today's video, I will teach you how to install and apply Instagram filters in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit in Photoshop. Now, if you don't have an Instagram filter action file yet, you can simply Google Instagram filter action for Photoshop. Choose the filters that you want and download it to your computer. And once it's downloaded, go back to Photoshop. Now, click File and open the action file that you have downloaded. Now, go to Window, select Action, or simply press Alt F9 on your keyboard to open the Actions panel. In the Actions panel, you will see the filters listed as an action set. If you open the action set, you will see different filters and the actions made to make them. Now, to apply the filters, simply select the filter that you would like to apply to your image and click on the play button at the bottom of the Actions panel. If you want to make the filters yourself, you can definitely do so. First, open the image that you would like to edit. Now, at the bottom of the Layers panel, select Create a new adjustment layer, then select Curves. First, let's do the Amaro filter. Select the red option first. Now, click on the top control point and set the input to 255 and the output to 250. Now, click anywhere in the curve to make a new control point. With the new control point selected, set the input to 145 and output to 200. Make another control point and set the input to 82, then output to 148. Make another control point and set the input to 30 and output to 62. Then make the last control point and set the input to 0 and output to 19. Now, switch the curve to green and make these adjustments. Now, switch the curve to blue and make these adjustments. Once you're done, we can now add a vignette. To do this, go to Layer, New Fill Layer, then Gradient. Here, rename the layer to Vignette, then click on the Gradient option. Select the bottom color and set it to black, then click OK. Now, set the gradient style to radial, click Reverse, and click OK. Now, select the vignette layer and set the opacity to your preference. If you want to make the rest of the Instagram filters, here are the curve adjustments that you need to make. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can get updated whenever we upload new tutorials.